Hey, we got a video from Bodycam Premium, and the title of the video is entitled Teen Fights Cop After Refusing to Show ID Instantly Regrets It. Let's get into the video.
To the front of my car. Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
On January 29th, 2025, an officer performed a traffic stop on a car that ran through a stop sign. Little does the officer know that this simple traffic stop would turn into something so much worse.
Give me your information.
May I have a deputy?
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you.
Yeah,
Step out of the vehicle.
for sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make a full...
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump gave it.
2694.
That is...
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration, and
No.
your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
because you came and made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I
turned around because you committed a violation of Florida State statute. It does not matter if it is a yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you why you were pulled over. I want your driver's license, registration.
And then you just put your hands on me.
I did put my hands on you because you're refusing to give me your information, and I'm not going to allow you to sit in that car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this.
I'm complying.
I'm in charge. Do you understand
I'm very
me?
much so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No, because you put
Then
your
how are
hands
you
on me.
complying? I
Because
did.
you put your hands on me.
I did, because
can
you
take my
failed
shirt
to
off.
follow a
No,
lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did, because you are failing to produce your identification.
I did not, officer.
Did it?
I did not, officer.
Okay,
You just put your hands on me.
when I asked you,
officer,
driver's
you
license,
put your hands
registration,
on
proof
me.
of insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where is your
You
driver's
put your
license?
hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
Put your hands on me. No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am,
You put your hands on me. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? What are you doing? You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the ground.
I've been complying.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
You didn't even tell me what you pulled me out of the car.
And put your hands behind your back.
You're putting your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands
Officer,
behind your back.
I literally have seizures. And you're
Turn
putting your
around
hands
and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
Turn around
you're
and
putting
put
your
your
hands on
hands
me. You're
behind
making
your
me
back.
uncomfortable.
Turn around and put your hands behind your
No,
back.
you're making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, take her.
Officer, please. You're hurting me.
Just get on the side. Guys, listen to me.
I didn't do anything.
Listen, get on the side.
He didn't ask for anything.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Officer,
Behind your back.
please, no,
Relax.
he's hurting me.
I got him.
He didn't offer me anything. He didn't offer me anything.
There's no stop.
He didn't offer me anything. Officer, he's hurting me.
Relax.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards
He
the
hurt
car.
me.
Look towards the
I
car.
didn't do anything.
Listen, here.
You're hurting
Go ahead
me.
and fix this one here.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do
Just
anything.
relax.
I didn't do anything. I was at a yellow light.
Just
I was
relax.
at a yellow light.
Hey, what's your name?
I was
your
at a
name?
yellow light.
I
What the
understand the
heck?
yellow light. What's your name?
I was at a yellow light. He threw U-turn on me, and I was at a full stop.
Hey,
I was at a full stop.
just slip
He's
this.
hurting me.
He's not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
Stanley won't come out now.
That's all right.
Deputy Baker.
Hey.
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn. And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me. As a woman.
Right here.
I'm cooperating and he's trying to put me to the ground. I promise you, Deputy Baker. I'm trying to take a deep breath.
She hasn't been searched. I don't know if she's got
I've been cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me from the get-go.
I don't believe we got Kristen.
He did.
Let's go ahead.
I swear, I put on my life.
All right. Resisting now is not going to
I'm not resisting.
You're all balled up.
Because he hurt me from the get-go and told me, what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male. He was like, how do you know what I identify as?
Calm down.
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke us?
Listen to him.
Easy question. Do you have
That was a funny point. I ain't gonna lie. How do you know what I identify as? That's a shout out to, them people. You know what I'm saying? The people, the community and all that. You know what I'm saying? But she did not have to make this that difficult. That don't even make no sense. And I think she's under the impression that a male officer can't touch a female. Males could definitely touch a female. Like, you know what I'm saying? Obviously not inappropriate, but, to get them to comply and, yeah, like what? I like that officer. I ain't gonna lie. He was straight to the point. He asked, oh, she want to play games? Okay, well, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Get out the car. You got your information? No, why? Anything other than, okay, I got it right here for you. Get out the car. All right, you got step to the side of my car. Why? Let's go. Let's go. Place your hands behind your back. Step it up, boys. We ain't got one acting right. Step it up, boys. Get you together. Tighten up, man. You better start acting right. You ain't acting right. Don't cry wolf now that you run into a cop that you actually know. He ain't trying to hear that, especially not in front of his boys. You think that cop is going to go against his boys? Not happening. Get your act together, man. Tighten up.
Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody?
Deputy Baker, I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Answer the question.
He was in his own feelings. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna try to pull her pants up.
I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me.
Calm down.
I am calm and he hurt my feelings and he upset me and then he put me. I didn't even say. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's clear. So I don't know if this guy
He hurt your feelings.
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know you have. I know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me.
I'm Deputy
You put your hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No,
we know
but
each
you
other.
put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because you put me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that.
Damn, no homo, man, but we need more officers built like bro right here. This is bro in his prime right here. Oh yeah, he ready to put something down, boy. Make one wrong move, your ass is gone, boy. We got to catch you in the afterlife. What? Oh yeah, this boy ready. This boy, what? This dude eating about 3 pounds of beef every day. Pause. Hey yo, pause. You know what I'm saying? But yo, this dude look like he benching about 500. God damn.
You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you.
No, you're not.
You just go
Yeah.
do what.
I didn't do anything wrong to you. You didn't even try to ask me for my identification.
We're gonna sit in here for just a moment.
You literally just pulled me out of the car without telling me anything.
Just turn and sit right here.
What's your first name? What's your button?
They tried to put that on me as a person.
Listen, sit back. You're gonna.
I didn't do anything wrong.
After placing her in the back of the squad car, Miranda still had a choice to cooperate with the officers and potentially get out of this situation. Unfortunately, she only makes things worse for herself.
I'm about to do a breathalyzer, and I think that's what she agreed to do, because she's asking me if I pass the breathalyzer right here, am I going to go free?
Oh, okay. Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises.
Okay.
You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the reason
I'm
for
not
this stop.
debating that,
Okay.
but I know
Okay.
you know
What
that I've
we're
stopped
asking you to do-
stopped before, and
Sure.
I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I could go to jail for that?
What we're asking you to do is
Right.
field sobriety exercises.
My thing is if I will be able to pass that, what will go after that?
We would make a determination at that point.
Determination at that point?
Yep.
And will I be able to get a traffic violation?
I'm not going to tell you one way or the other because we're not there yet.
I understand that, but
I'm not going to hold everything over your head or tell you that we're going to.
I'm being very, very understanding,
Yeah,
and I'm
okay.
trying to
I
understand
get it.
what's going on.
Yep.
At this point, even if
still
I were to
going to
pass or
jail
not
for
pass,
resisting.
where is the violation that I committed?
Okay. Again, I'm not going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over
Right.
here screaming at us. Okay.
No,
That's-
I wasn't. I literally got pulled and grabbed. I have a literally mark on my arm to
Okay.
show that he literally put me over. When I told him that I was a woman, I would rather have a female because he told me he wanted to search me.
You don't have that option.
I didn't have the option,
Okay,
but
you don't
what
get
made
to
me
select
upset,
what police officer.
I'm talking to you as literally I know you before and you met me
Yeah.
before. I'm trying to tell you that he upset me because he told me what can I identify as, and I identify as a male or female.
Okay.
So are you making me uncomfortable, trying to make me feel like I'm not a male or female?
It's trying to be respectful.
No, it's not respectful
Okay.
because the way you said it.
That's how you perceived it. Okay.
But exactly, and
All right.
I'm only being compliant because of that. But I'm
Okay.
not being incompliant because of his actions. I'm being compliant because of
All
what
right.
he said.
So at this point, are you going to submit to field sobriety exercises?
Even if I submit or not submit, if I'm going to be able
Are
to
you
pass,
going to submit or
No.
not submit? Okay. Perfect.
I want to submit, but I need to know the answer to that.
You're under arrest for DUI.
Thank you.
Hello. Yes. Can I please get my sobriety test, please?
Didn't they do when you step out for me? I'm gonna search you.
May I get my sobriety test? Like, goddamn, I didn't do. What the? I'm not even drunk. I didn't even have one beer.
Well, spread your feet for me.
Y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
Just DUI doesn't just mean alcohol.
I'm not on nothing. I don't do. What the?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that.
Y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the? Where's the test?
Yeah, but you denied it. Cut it out.
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the I'm saying. I'm trying to say like I didn't do anything wrong. Is why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have
You'll
to
be
prove
able
it.
to take a test at the
Stop.
jail.
No, I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane
Can you
Milton.
turn around?
curfew.
Yeah, I need
Yeah,
you
can you
to
turn
turn
around?
the car, face the car,
oh.
spread your feet.
Okay.
I need you to stop moving, spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your
My
feet.
feet are spread, sir. What the? Y'all are tripping.
This is crazy as
This is kidnapping. This is motherfucking insane.
I see why she
I
can't go back
didn't do
to jail.
anything wrong.
You face me? You got on the bra?
No. I literally came out to check my phone.
You hear anything in your mouth?
No.
Stick your tongue out for me. Okay.
This is insane. Y'all are crazy as
Okay. Have a seat.
y'all are crazy. Can I take my test now?
I'll have to ask the.
Is this your phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking out.
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
We just
I
asked
told.
you and
No,
you
that's not what
refused.
you said. You made me
That's
feel
exactly
like as
what
if I
we
was
said.
going to jail regardless.
seat.
Hop back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Come on,
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
seat.
Oh my God, y'all are tripping.
I think she bipolar or something. Something wrong with her, boy.
God, this is crazy. What the?
What could have been a simple traffic stop ended in Miranda getting arrested and being charged with DUI and resisting arrest.
Yeah, something wrong with her. I think she bipolar or something. Something got to be. Something not adding up with her, boy. She made this whole thing worse. Blew it way out of proportion. Now that comment was slick though. I ain't gonna lie. You don't know what I identify as. That was so funny. I'm not gonna lie. I get the joke, but you know, if you don't get it and go over your head, then you know, whatever. It just went over your head. For somebody that's not trying to go back to jail, she did everything in her power to go to jail. Because regardless, you still going to jail for resisting. Period. That whole fighting the cuffs and all of that and not trying to get detained and all that right there already jammed you up. So whether you did feel sobriety or not, it don't even matter at that point. You going to get booked in. Facts. Man, whatever. I think the cops did a pretty good job, man. I was impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I was impressed. I like the no nonsense cop. These cops had complete control over the situation, and yeah, she didn't get her way. So I love that. They get a 4 out of 5 from me. I think they did an outstanding job, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.